Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another crucial immunohistochemistry test, CYCLIN-D1. This test plays a significant role in diagnosing and classifying certain types of lymphomas. Let's break it down. Pre-test information. Before we start, here's what you need to know before undergoing the CYCLIN-D1 test. You should provide a copy of your histopathology report, details about the site of the biopsy, and your clinical history. This information is vital for accurate analysis and diagnosis. Specification of the test. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the CYCLIN-D1 test. CYCLIN-D1 is a protein that regulates the cell cycle, specifically driving the transition between the G0 and G1 phases. In normal tissues, CYCLIN-D1 is often found in basal epithelial cells, endothelial cells, and stromal cells. Diseases associated. CYCLIN-D1 overexpression is commonly associated with mantle cell lymphoma. This condition involves a translocation between the CYCLIN-D1 gene and the immunoglobulin heavy chain egg gene. This feature is incredibly useful in the classification of low-grade B-cell lymphomas. Specimen used. For this test, a biopsy specimen is required. The site of biopsy should be provided in the pre-test information to ensure accurate examination. Components included. The CYCLIN-D1 test includes various components that help detect and measure the presence and levels of CYCLIN-D1 protein in the tissue sample. This involves specialized staining techniques and microscopic examination. Test report time. After your specimen is submitted, the test report will be available in approximately 7 days. This time frame allows for thorough processing and analysis to provide accurate results. Test information. Let's delve deeper into the significance of CYCLIN-D1. As mentioned earlier, CYCLIN-D1 is one of the cell cycle proteins that drives the transition between the G0 and G1 phases. In normal tissues, basal epithelial cells, endothelial cells, and stromal cells are often CYCLIN-D1 positive. However, due to a translocation involving the CYCLIN-D1 gene and EDGE, the majority of mantle cell lymphomas overexpress CYCLIN-D1. This overexpression is a crucial marker that helps in the classification of low-grade B-cell lymphomas, aiding in accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. That's all for today's video on the CYCLIN-D1 immunohistochemistry test. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into medical tests and diagnostics. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.